In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically post the blog posts on your WordPress website automatically, including images and internal linking and so on. You don't need to touch your website. It will do automatic keyword research, schedule your content, and post on your website automatically. You just need to enter one keyword and it will generate the 1 month article for you, including the internal linking, the images, and so on. So let we get started. At the very first step, you need to go here wpautoblog.com, and here you just need to click on start a free trial. After simply sign up, you will be here into the dashboard of WP Autoblog, and here now we're gonna connect our website with the WP Autoblog. To connect this, you just need to click here on the websites tab, and here you will see a button add website. So you just need to click on add website, and here you just need to add the URL of our website, for example including WP admin. So here is our website, so I just copy this, and here you just need to enter your login URL. So your login URL can be different than a WP admin, so you just need to enter your login in URL. So you just need to click here to connect this, and here you can see there is email and password is asking for to connect. So here we just need to enter our WordPress login detail. You just need to simply enter your username and password of your WordPress website and click on login. Now our website is connected, so now we need to write the blogs for our website. So here you can see there is a calendar and schedule. If you click on scheduler, so here we can schedule our posts here. So here you can add your keywords here, as well as the titles list and the keywords plus title. And if you go back into the dashboard, you can also go here into the keywords, where it will automatically research your keywords. For example, here I add my topic, for example relationships. So this is the relationships is our basic keyword. So here I will make the research, so it will be automatically fetch the keywords that are trending on the top and the low competition for us. So here you can see there is less keywords that are high opportunity. So here you can see there is a lot of list for the keywords, so we can shortlist all of these keywords for us to be added into our blog. So I am going to shortlist all of these keywords for us. Now I have shortlisted all of these keywords into our keywords list. So here you can see there is create articles button. So here I have this button, so I will create articles for us. So I just click on create articles button. Here you can see the keywords list is automatically fetched into our dashboard of the keywords. You can see here is the keywords list has been added. Now we're gonna set up the auto blogging into our website based on these keywords. So here you can see publish date, you can see now, every 1 hour, 2 hour, or every day. So I select every day here, so it will publish one post on our website every day. Or if you see here now button, you can also select this one, so now it will publish all of these posts on that. So I say every one post on every day, so here I select every day. Or you can also click on select to select your dates here, and you can schedule your posts according to your keywords length. So I recommend you to go with auto and every one post every day. So here in the language you select English, and here article length I select medium 13 to 1400, so I select the long 1700 to 2200. Here is the website URL. If you have connected more than one websites, you can select one of them. And in the category you can select the relationship. For example, my category is a relationship. You can also select other categories if you have. And in the style you can say here and there are the style, you can say professional, passive, casual and friendly, simple and visual. So I select casual and friendly and humanize, so I select humanize. And here point of view should be first person, second person, you third person. So here is the second person, and AI images, so I select the stock images in that. So here we need the API key to connect to generate the AI images. So here the paragraph style short with the list icons, long paragraph few subtitles. So I select the short with list of many subtitles, and here is the additional images, internal linking. Yes, we need to have internal links, tables, FAQs, and if you can include the YouTube videos, it will be also good. And here is the custom style prompt. You can also select your own prompt to do the good article writing. Here is the images. You can also select the images prompt here. So here are the CTA buttons. If you want to add some CTA buttons into your website, for example, contact us, book us, so on. So other settings, in the other setting you can say ghost mode to make the text pass AI direction but lowest quality removes. So I just don't recommend that, and here I just click on create articles. Now you can see after clicking on publish button, you can see the couples, and on our keyboard the the articles are being processed. You can see this is processing in the processing, so it will be published automatically on our website one by one as we have decided. So I will show you into the dashboard in a while. Now you can see within few minutes it has been writing the posts for us, and if you click on editor you can see it has amazingly written the content for our website. You can see as well as the images and internal linking. You can see it has internal linking and the internal images. You can see as well as if you go here into the posts, you can see it is automatically published on our website. And if you click on edit, so let's see, is it adding the featured image. Oh wow, the featured image is also added on our website, and here you can see the whole article is being published on our website including internal link. So if you click on save, and this is automatically saved, but I again saved this. And here if you preview this post, so this post is amazingly done. You can see all of these beautifully done. The paragraphs, the internal linking, and the images are beautifully added. These are stock images that are added on this website. So I hope you love this video, and if you love this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and keep watching this channel to get the updates. Thank you so much.